Hi, this is Vince White for White, Ricotta, and Marks, and I'm answering public questions on the website avvo.com. This question comes from Austin, Texas. Great town. Our partner Matthew actually got married there. Love the area, very beautiful. The question is, I have a predicament. I was offered a job and I passed the background check. Great, congratulations. It's going well. Um, I gave them my immigration status. I filled out my I-9 form with my alien number, but I both my residency and my social security card were stolen. How would I go about working without having those cards? I've told them my predicament, but they didn't answer me. I have a photocopy of my social security card and my W-2 forms. I want to get some advice on how I would go through working with them, since I have to work to be able to afford a replacement for my residency to take out a new social security card. Thank you. Okay, so it appears like you have some resources. You have the ability to get on a computer and ask questions. You clearly appear to have a place to live, and food, right? I mean, you're surviving. So I think, honestly, you're going to have to borrow the money. Is my recommendation. Borrow the money for your card, um, because otherwise your employer is in a bad spot, and the only work you're going to be able to get is work off the books, and that's just another way of saying illegal work. So my recommendation to you would be to borrow the money. Friends, family, anyone who cares about you. I'm sure people care about you. Um, Contact them, explain what's going on. Otherwise, if you don't come in with those cards, honestly, that employer is going to think you're trying to scam them and share someone else's numbers. So that's my suggestion. I hope that helps. I know it's not uh, the best suggestion. The only other thing I could recommend is, if you, for some reason, cannot handle it that way, contact some of the immigration nonprofits that exist. I know there's a couple operating in Texas right now, and explain to them your situation. They might be able to help you. They might be able to point you towards kind of a hardship form where you might be able to avoid the fees to replace your cards. Or they might even be able to walk you through a process by which you could perhaps start working and provide the cards later. I'm not sure. I'm not an immigration attorney, but this was posted under the employment law category, and I just wanted to make sure you got kind of a practical answer. I know it's not really a legal answer. Besides handling EEOC matters, we couldn't do anything else in Texas. So it's more of a practical answer, is that I don't think you're going to find any valuable work unless you get a copy of those cards. And so I would definitely borrow the money for those cards. I hope this helps. Good luck.